morning, students. Today in this session, we are going to discuss two topics, mutation and pedigree analysis. Which are the two topics? Mutation and pedigree analysis. Mutation and pedigree analysis. The term mutation, many times we had learned in 11th science also, in 12th science also, many times I told. One more time I will say that the meaning, the simple meaning of mutation is sudden change in the chromosome. Sudden change in the chromosome. How chromosome is changing? What are the components of chromosome? Genes are present on the chromosome only. A DNA is a particular portion of chromosome only. So chromosome changing means gene also will be changed and DNA also will be changed. Gene changed at the same time. DNA pattern also will be, DNA sequence also will be changed. Then chromosome changing. That chromosome change is called a mutation. Mutation in another topic, another session we had already discussed. That time I didn't show this slide to you. So now see that a mutation, that is alteration of DNA sequence. Alteration means change of DNA sequence. Change of DNA sequence. Changes in the genotype and phenotype. When DNA sequence is changing, genotype of the organism, that is the genetic combination of the organism is changing, and external appearance also, that is phenotype also changing. If DNA sequence changes, genotype also will be changed, phenotype also will be changed. Leads to variation in DNA. DNA also vary. DNA sequence are changing, then variation in DNA results in alteration in chromosome. Chromosome also will be changed. As DNA is the part of a particular fragment of chromosome only. So DNA changed means no doubt that chromosome also will be changed. And fifth one, it results in abnormalities or aberrations. Abnormality means opposite of normal only. Normal, abnormal. So results in abnormalities. Some abnormalities will be developed, or aberrations means changes. Abnormalities or aberration will be developed. Change in single base pair of DNA. Totally DNA contain 4 base only. 4 base. Which are those? Adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. Which are the 4 bases? Adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. How they are pairing up? Adenine pairs with the thymine. Always. Adenine pairs with the thymine only. Other reverse also possible. Thymine can be paired with the adenine, but AT pair only. Adenine, thymine pair. Adenine always pair with the thymine. Like that, cytosine always pair with the guanine only. Cytosine always pair with the guanine. Cytosine, guanine. Guanine can be paired with the cytosine. These are the 2 base pairs. So change in single base pair of DNA also occur. If base pair is, how the usual or normal base pairing? Adenine to thymine, cytosine to guanine. Any change in single base pair of DNA, many chemical and physical factors, UV is also a mutation. UV is also a mutation. So the agents which are causing mutation is called a mutagen. The agents which cause mutation is called a mutagen. Mutagen, ultraviolet ray. UV rays means ultraviolet rays is a mutagen only. It causes mutation. Chromosomal aberrations also can be occur. When DNA fragments are changing, DNA pattern is changing, gene pattern is changing. No doubt that chromosome will be changed. When chromosome is changing, some aberration or abnormalities are occurring in the chromosome, a serious disease can be occurred, that is cancer. Serious disease can be occurred, that is cancer. How cancer is occurring? One of the reason only, one of the reason of cancer is chromosomal aberration. Any change or abnormality in the chromosome, alteration in the chromosome can cause cancer. And sixth point is point mutation only. In point mutation, particular gene only changes its position. Particular point only changing. Point means gene only. Gene present on the chromosome only. So gene is a point-like structure, linear arrangement of we can see linear arrangement of genes on the chromosome. So particular point, that is gene-wise change alteration occur when it is point mutation. Example, sickle cell anemia. Example, sickle cell anemia. Deletions and insertions of base pairs of DNA is called a frame shift mutation. Frame shift mutation means how this chromosome are framed. A natural framing is there for the chromosome. Like that DNA, this DNA should be there, DNA pattern should be like this, and gene should be arranged in such a way. Like that a pattern or frame is there for every chromosome. When this frame is shifting, when this frame is changing, that also can be cause mutation. Two reasons are for this frame shift mutation. They are deletions and insertion. They are deletions and insertion. What is meant by deletion? Deletion means removal only. Some part of the DNA, some part of the chromosome is removed. That can cause mutation. Like that, insertion means adding up. Any part is adding to the normal chromosome or normal DNA. Some part is adding to the normal chromosome or normal DNA. That also can be cause mutation. So these are the important points in mutation. Alteration of DNA sequence is called as mutation. When DNA sequence are altering, no doubt that genes are also changing, chromosome are also changing. It can cause the change in genotype and phenotype also. Genotype means genetic constitution also can be changed and external features also can be changed. A total variation in DNA can be occurred by this. Results in alteration in chromosome. It results in changes in the chromosome. Results in abnormalities or aberrations. Changes in single base pair of DNA. Change in single base pair of DNA. Many chemical and physical factors can be act as the mutagen. What is meant by mutagen? Any factor which is causing the mutation is called a mutagen. Any factor which can cause mutation is called a mutagen. Like that, many chemical and physical factors are there. Ultraviolet radiation is also a mutagen only. One of the, and different type of disease can be occur by the mutation. Example for that is cancer and sickle cell anemia. Cancer disease, one of the reason of cancer disease is chromosomal aberration only. Change in the chromosome or abnormality in the chromosome or alteration in the chromosome can cause cancer. If gene only changes its position, that type of mutation is called point mutation. Genes only changing its position, then that type of mutation is called a point mutation. Point mutation example, sickle cell anemia. Point mutation, which is the example, sickle cell anemia. And two more reasons are there for mutation, that they are included in frame shift mutation only. They are included in frame shift mutation. Two reasons are deletion and insertion. The meaning of deletion is removal of some point. The meaning of deletion is removal of some part. Some part is removing, chromosomes part is removing, then what will be happened? Genes will be removed. The genes which are occupied on the part will be removed. So the genes which are controlling some characters, so that the characters also will be lost. So phenotype and genotype will be changed. So frame shift mutation means the framing of the chromosome is changed by deletion or insertion. Deletion means removal or insertion means adding up. Some part of the chromosome is removed, then also mutation can be occurred, and some part is adding up, then also mutation can be occurred. This mutation already I had explained to you. That time I didn't show the slide. So these are the important point. This slide I will send it to you. You have to see one time. Slide is important only. So the other topic we are going to learn is, already I told that, which is that pedigree analysis. The meaning of pedigree analysis is means analysis of ancestral history. Analysis of ancestral history is called a pedigree analysis. Analysis of ancestral history. The idea that disorders are inherited has been prevailing in the human society since long time. Our his fathers having what are the diseases that can be passed from one generation to other generation, especially genetic disorders. What is meant by genetic disorder? Any disorder occurring in the gene is called a genetic disorder. Any disorder occurring in the gene is called a genetic disorder. As we thinking that if the gene is changing its position or anything happened to the gene, deleted or added, a serious effect can be caused. Serious effect can be caused. It is not like that, that organism is not considered as a human being also. If it already it was a human being, after mutation, the organism itself is changing. So it can cause very serious effects only. So the reason is that from ancient time onwards, some diseases which are passed from one generation to other generation. Afterwards only it is find out that the reason is that genes are carrying characters from one generation to other. So any genetic disorder occur, any disorder is occurring on the gene, then what will be happen? Naturally that will be carried from one generation to other generation, other from parents to offspring. So this was based on the heritability of certain characteristic features in families. After the discovery of Mendel's work, the practice of analyzing inheritance pattern of traits in human beings began only. Since it is evident that control process that can be performed in pea plant or some other organism are not possible in case of human beings. Study of the family history about inheritance of a particular provides an alternative. So pedigree analysis is an easiest method to study the ancestral history. What is pedigree analysis? Understood? Pedigree analysis is an easy and conveying method to study the ancestral history. The study of the family history about inheritance of a particular trait provides an alternative. Such an analysis of traits in a several generations of family is called the pedigree analysis. In the pedigree analysis, the inheritance of a particular trait is represented in the family over generation of one generation to another generation. While we are coming to the human genetics, pedigree study provides a strong tool only. In pedigree study provides a strong tool which is utilized to trace the inheritance of specific trait. Pedigree study provides a strong tool which is utilized to trace the inheritance of a specific trait only. Abnormality or disease only. Some of the important symbols it is shown here that. So symbols say that male having this symbol. This symbol is representing the male and this one is representing the female. In some of the genetic disorders, some genetic disorders are occurring only female. In female only it is only applicable. Means that this is genetic disorder is only seeing in female. Their sex should be mentioned. But some diseases are genetic disorders are only related with the males only. Their importance of sex is there. But some genetic disorders are in such a way that it occurring both the sexes, in male as well as females. There is no need of mentioning the sex. So when sex is not specified, sex unspecified will be this one only, sex unspecified. This is affected individual are giving shade color. Shade is giving for the affected individuals. Affected individuals are giving shades. And this is the mating, a male and a female get married, reproduction. Mating means reproduction only. Marriage. This one male, this one female. This also male and female mating only, reproduction only, but it in between the relatives it takes place. It is showing by two horizontal lines. In between the relative cities, then it is two horizontal line it shows. And next one, parents above and children below. These two are the parents and children below in order of birth left to right. Parents above and children below. These two are the children, one male child and one female child. This is father and mother. This is female child and this is male child. This is parent with the male child affected with the disease. Shade giving for the affected one only. So parents with the male child affected with the disease only, this one. So symbols used in the pedigree analysis. These are the main symbols used in the pedigree analysis. I will show the slide also afterwards. Same only given there, male, female, sex unspecified means understood. When there is no needed to specify the sex. Shade is given for the affected individual. This is affected male only, affected male. This is affected female. This is affected, sex is not specified, but affected individual only. Understood the meaning of these three? Affected male, affected female. This is affected one only, but the sex is not mentioned there. This is the reproduction between, mating between a male and a female. Marriage also representing in such a way only, so reproduction is there because. And these two lines, horizontal two lines, is also reproduction only. But when it between relatives, it is doing in such a way only, relatives only. And the parents above and children below, these are the parents. This is the male parent, this is the female parent, and their mating will be takes place. This line show the mating. As a result, two children are there. Two children, this is the female child and this is the male child, isn't it? Now, these are the mating between a male father and mother, and mating is shown by the horizontal line, vertical line giving birth to the offspring, but the offspring is a male, but affected male only, affected male means this is the genetic, this is the male, and if this 5 is showing unaffected offspring only. 5 unaffected offspring only. Understood? These are the symbols using there. So, in human genetics, pedigree study provides a strong tool which is utilized to trace the inheritance of specific trait, abnormality or disease. Some of the important standard symbols used in the pedigree analysis are, as you have studied in this chapter, each and every feature in any organism is controlled by one or the other gene located on the DNA present in the chromosome. DNA is the carrier of genetic information. DNA is the carrier of genetic information. That everybody knowing DNA is the carrier of genetic information. It is hence transmitted from generation to other generation. So, this is very important point only. Each and every feature in any organism is controlled by one or the other gene located on the DNA present in the chromosome. Each and every feature in any organism, each and every feature in any organism is controlled by one or the other gene located on the DNA present in the chromosome. DNA is the carrier of genetic information. DNA is the carrier of genetic information. It is hence transmitted from one generation to the other without any change or alteration. Without any change only. If DNA having some limitation in one generation, that same DNA only passing to the next generation also. But sometimes DNA can be changed occasionally. DNA can be changed occasionally. That change is called a mutation. That change is called a mutation. So every genetic disorder is related with a mutation. So however, changes or alteration takes place occasionally. Such an alteration or change in the genetic material is referred to as mutation. So changes or alteration do take place occasionally. Such an alteration or change in the genetic material is referred to as mutation. So everybody understood what is the meaning of mutation? Mutation occurring, then only there is some changes in the chromosome. Changes are there in the chromosome, that is the abnormal condition. Then only chromosomal diseases or genetic disorders will be occurred. A number of disorders in human beings have been found to be associated with the inheritance of changed or altered genes or chromosomes. A number of disorders in human beings have been found to be associated with the inheritance of changed or altered genes or chromosome only. Altered genes or chromosomes only. So, this sentence very important only. Already I told that then also each and every feature in any organism, in human being also, in every organism, each and every feature is controlled by one or the other gene. controlled by every feature, each and every feature of an organism is controlled by one or the other gene located on the DNA present in the chromosome. So DNA is the carrier of genetic information. DNA is the carrier of genetic information. So it is transmitted from one generation to the other without any alteration, without any change. How it was in the parent, same only passing to the next generation also. Then you may be thinking that why, you may thought that why some changes are there in the one generation from the previous generation. That is because father and mother, two persons are there. Two persons are there. Some father's characteristic also coming to us. Some mother's characteristic also can be come to us. Then what will be happen? Some are remaining as recessive only. Even though it is present in the body, some characters present as recessive. Others are dominant only. Dominant characters only we are seeing externally. Recessive characters, the organism does not show any recessive characters. The organism does not show any recessive characters. But it is present in that organism. That characters can be transmitted to next generation. But if it is recessive, that same characteristic is not shown by the organism, but it can pass that one from previous generation to the next generation. Understood? So it is transmitted from one generation to the other without any change or alteration. However, changes or alteration do take place occasionally. Changes or alteration do take place occasionally. Such an alteration or change in the genetic material is referred to as mutation. A number of disorders in human beings have been found to be associated with the inheritance of changed or altered genes or chromosome. I have made a slide for you for showing mutation that I will show you. These symbols used in the pedigree analysis, same only. The male organism is represented, male, where the cursor, female, sex unspecified. This is the affected, shade is given. So this is shade is given means this is the affected male, this is the affected female, and this is the affected, but the sex is not specified there. And this is the reproduction or mating between a male organism and female organism. Marriage also represented by horizontal line only as it meant for reproduction. Double vertical lines are used to show the mating between relatives, that is consanguineous mating only. The mating between close relatives are called a consanguineous mating. It is dangerous in the level of genetic level, it is dangerous, that we will be learn afterwards. And this is the male parent, female parent. Vertical line shows the mating. As a result, two children are there. One female child and other male child. And here also parents with a male child, the male child is affected with the disease. Only one child is there affected with the disease. This is by showing the 5 unaffected offspring are shown by this one. 5 unaffected offspring. So students, in this session, two topic only we had discussed, the mutation and the pedigree analysis. Mutation means sudden change in the chromosome that it can make an organism genotypically and phenotypically change. That it can cause phenotypically and genotypically change in organism. That organism changing to an entirely different organism only due to mutation. Mutation already we had discussed in another session also. Mutation is related with the pedigree and genetic disorder. So by that one more time I said it here only. Next topic we had learned is pedigree analysis. Pedigree analysis, simply we can say that is study of previous generation. At least 5 or 6 generations should be included in pedigree analysis. Just previous generation is not enough. 5, 6 previous generation we have it included in pedigree analysis. It is an easiest and very accurate method to study the ancestral history. From that ancestral history, any genetic disorder are prevailing that we can understand, and according to that we can be arrange some marriages. In some of the genetic disorders, both the parents are genetically disordered, then only the offspring is having genetical disorder. In that situation, what will be there? We are learning the pedigree of that person, particular person pedigree we are learning. then we are arranging in marriage such that if the affected male is married to a normal girl, then the offspring will not be have that type of genetic disorder. That we will be learn detail. If you not understood, no, don't want to take tension. We will be learn detail. Pedigree only I told. Pedigree analysis means the study of ancestral history only. So I think that all of you understood well. One more time you read. I will send this slides through WhatsApp, and assignments are also given by the WhatsApp.